Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to SRK Survival. Today I wanted to go over some different options for backpacking food, as well as some different devices that you can cook in and with. So I guess we're just going to dive right into it. Breakfasts, the only options I have out here are something like Mountain House. This is scrambled eggs, which I probably wouldn't recommend this one. But Mountain House meals in general are really good. Also oatmeal. I don't have any oatmeal out here because we all know what oatmeal packets look like. But you can get all sorts of, strawberry, you can get the original, and you can really spice it up. It doesn't have to be plain Jane oatmeal. Maybe bring some brown sugar. I guess breakfasts are usually pretty basic for me. It's either a Mountain House meal, oatmeal, maybe some coffee. We have to have coffee. A Cliff Bar. My three favorite kinds are the chocolate chunk with sea salt, white chocolate macadamia nut, and chocolate chip. And you can use those for breakfast, lunch, snacks, whenever. Some other options you can, I guess, for a snack or for breakfast, some applesauce. I like the cinnamon in these little bags. They're super easy. Usually have these for lunch because I don't like to cook lunch. Another snack, it's kind of a treat, are these strawberries. These are astronaut strawberries. I think we got these from Walmart, but they are certified space technology. Pretty cool. And so I guess that pretty much covers breakfast and snacks. Well, a few more snacks actually. We got some almonds, because almonds are great. They're kind of boring, but they're great. Lots of good nutrients. Some beef sticks or beef jerky. These kind of get destroyed because they get smashed, but peanut butter crackers with some hot chocolate in the evening for a snack would probably be pretty good. When you're on the move, lunchtime, or maybe it's, you've got that last mile to hike up the mountain and you just need some quick energy. Honey Stinger organic gel is really good. And then I really like the Hammer Nutrition. This one is hazelnut chocolate. It's awesome. We used these coming out of the Grand Canyon the last mile. It was, out Bright Angel Trail straight up. So taking a few shots of this energy gel. It tasted great and it gave us some good energy. Another kind of going along with the applesauce thing. This is fruit and veggies on the go. Go squeeze. Zippin' zingin' pear. Sounds great, doesn't it? It's an option for a snack. And going back to the breakfast, coffee. It's something that I used to not take on the trail at all. Then the instant coffee was an idea. And now we've kind of gotten into some more, I guess for the trail, it'd be more gourmet. At least in my book, it'd be a little bit more gourmet. Is the GSI Outdoors pour over. Comes with the grinder, which we don't take backpacking because it's pretty heavy. Comes with a reusable filter, a tablespoon, which you can use eating your other meals too, but you're going to need this for the coffee grounds, and then the actual pour over itself. So it just pops up like that. Coffee filter goes in. Set it on your Toaks 450 milliliter coffee mug. Take your coffee blend, which we've got the T-Mac blend from Invader Coffee and some Black Rifle coffee. Both are really good. Put a tablespoon in there for the cup of coffee and pour your boiling water over top. And that's it, folks. It's too easy. Takes less than 3 minutes probably in the morning to make coffee, and it tastes really good. This mug right here is one of my new favorites. It's the Toaks Titanium 450 milliliter mug. small, super lightweight since it's titanium, and I love it. So definitely highly recommend it. And the price point's not too bad. It's compared to Snow Peak, I think it's like 2/3 of the price maybe. But I also like that it has the milliliters on the sides, or on the side, so you can measure your water for different Mountain House meals and stuff. So that's for the coffee. For more drinks, since we're on that page, we've got vanilla chai tea, which is a black tea, and then green tea. It's good. In the winter, I tend to drink a lot more warm drinks because I'm cold. This for your hotter climates, and if you've had a long day, it's good to replenish those electrolytes. This is Pedialyte. Can be found. I like the strawberry flavor. This is really nice when we were in the Grand Canyon too, after a long day hike, after going 6 miles, you know, up and down, up and down. It was really nice to replenish the electrolytes. It felt good. Get good old Swiss Miss. Maybe bring some marshmallows along. And pro tip, the French vanilla powdered creamer with this sends it to a whole nother level. Let's see here. Some non-cook, and you can warm these up too, for lunches or dinners. You've got your Northern Catch tuna, Tuna Creations barbecue bacon ranch. But I'm not a big fan of tuna. I like the premium chicken. This is like 89 or 98 cents from Walmart. Then you can get the bigger bags of Tyson chicken if you're hungry, which that tends to be what I usually do. And then with the chicken, you know, you can heat it up and then just throw some Frank's Red Hot in there. You can get packets, I recommend. I was carrying this thing around. It's like, I don't know, might as well be a pound at this point. But Frank's Red Hot with the chicken is a game changer. The Frank's Red Hot's also good for your breakfasts and really everything, minus the oatmeal, I guess. And then another dinner would all those Knorr sides. It's a rice side, and they make a million other ones that are really pretty quick to make and would go really well with, you know, probably the tuna, or if this is the, you know, the chicken flavor, I'd throw some of this chicken in there with some Frank's Red Hot and be good to go. Sorry, I know I'm going all over the place, skipping around, but another snack would be these David seeds. These are great. I love the ranch flavor. They're probably my favorite flavor. But leave no trace, so if you have a Ziploc bag for your trash, you could spit them into there. For cooking, we have the Highly Light Micro Duelist. It's from GSI again. Been using this for a few years now. I keep everything in this pot. It all nests inside the main cooking pot. I've got MSR fuel. We've got a mug and a bowl. It comes apart. Came with 2 of these. The other one broke, so these will break. Insulated mug. And on the inside, we've got the stove. It's a Brunton stove I've had for about a decade, and it's still working. Pretty cool. And then one of these jet boil things, stand for your fuel canister for uneven surfaces. And that all, like I said, just nests in there pretty quick, compact. And you're ready to go. Another drink option. This is from good old MRE. This is free from Uncle Sam for me. This is the chocolate protein drink powder. Not my favorite one, but it's, you know, it'll do when you're on the trail. And finally, for the last thing I wanted to bring up to you guys, so how do you store the food at night? You know, because if you're in the Smoky Mountains, you know, you've got bears, you might need a bear canister, or if you're in the national park, they've got, you know, places to hang your food. If you're in, you know, Alaska or maybe northern New York, and you know there's certain regulations. You have to have a certain kind of bear canister. Or if you're in the desert, say the Grand Canyon, or maybe Canyonlands in Utah, or one of those kind of places, or Texas, maybe Big Bend National Park, might want to get one of these. And it's from www.armoredoutdoorgear.com. It's huge, good enough for 2 people, probably for a week, if not longer. It is, you know, metal. This is going to make sure those critters can't get into your food at night. And it has a grommet here where you can hang it up. Now, what you want to store your food inside of this thing is a smell-proof lock sack. So it holds the scent in, so for the most part, the animals aren't going to smell. But if they do, this is going to protect it. That's one option for when you're in the desert. Highly recommend that. Another option, if you're in Ohio, you know, places where you're more worried about raccoons than anything else, just having one of these cheap El Cheapo dry sacks from Walmart, throw your food in it, hang it up in a tree, and call it a day. You know, that's an option too in some places. So, you know, food storage is definitely something to think about. You know, I've had experiences in New Hampshire and where we've forgotten things in backpacks, and mice like to chew holes through backpacks to get into the trail mix for sure. So something you definitely want to remember. Also, toothpaste, all the smellable stuff, you want to put and store them either high in the tree or in a bag like this where the critters can't get to it, or in a bear canister. So I hope that gave you some new ideas on, you know, snacks, trail food for your next backpacking trip to kind of spice it up. And I just appreciate you guys supporting the channel, checking out my videos. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see further down the road, whether it's gear reviews, trip reports, or whatever else you guys have in mind. Again, thanks for watching. This is SRK Survival. We'll see you next time.